Yeah, hello back. It's been a while since I worked on the GT. Today I will finally try to finish the right arch so that I can mount the wheel back and make it mobile, and in the process I will try to mount some new parts. Bad news, I think this front grille with the fog lights will also not work because it seems it's too short. But before I can do anything of this, I need to unbolt some parts. Yeah. Oh crap, I had to massage it, but I could lose this crap, and we have a new one there. Yes, this will fit. Oh, or maybe not. Wait a minute. This one is not the same. We will see. But first, I need to clean this a little bit up because this is not the condition what I want. Probably I will change this down the road with new ones, but nowadays it's hard to get parts from overseas, and I need to change the bushing because these are too old and not serving the purpose, but this is for another day. Yeah, and now the fun part begins. So this will be funny.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Little update. Things got a little excited. Yeah. And of course the whole situation escalated again. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, this section actually, just a moment, that's the old part, what was there. It looked like this. Yeah, and then the thing just escalated. It was completely rotted out. So what I need to do is next make this section complete new, but with some thicker steel, because this is double side sheet metal. That's double one. This one was a little thick, so thicker, meaning yeah. And yeah, of course, there's more. So meaning my plan was to finish this section, but because of some issues, I will say like this, I need to do this in a second video, because I need to find the thick material what I need there. I need to make some holes and yeah, customize this. That's because this must be flat and this must be also the right proportion, otherwise I cannot mount the lower part. So sadly, this is all for this video, and I hope we see you in the next video. So until next time, bye. And I'm going to sleep because it's already cold and late. And because I'm already so tired, I forgot. There you have it. And until next time.